Hello everyone, welcome to my dance lesson. A trick how to improve your cha-cha steps. You need to keep your toes in contact with the floor. Lift your heels if you like, yeah. So you can stroke the floor or slide. Yeah, you slide forward, slide, slide, and the same you're going back, 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 back. Again, you slide forward, slide, slide, and then you're going back, 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 back. Okay, you can do the same with your cha-cha basic step. So side step, cha, 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 forward and back, cha, 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 back and forward, back, forward, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Keep your toes in contact with the floor. Cha, 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 2, 3.